Hi everyone. Today we're gonna talk about documentation. Let's be honest, writing documentation is the broccoli of software development. We know it's good for us, but we'd rather do literally anything else. But what if you could let AI do 80% of the heavy lifting? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to auto-generate accurate, helpful documentation for your code and how to make sure it's not just fancy nonsense. Clear documentation means fewer headaches for you, your teammates, and future you who barely remembers how the code works. AI tools today can scan your code, understand functions, and produce documentation that explains what's happening. Step number 1. Choose your AI tool. There are plenty of AI options. ChatGPT, for example, paste in your code and ask for docstrings or markdown docs. GitHub Copilot generates inline comments and summaries while you code. Tabnine or Cody, good for private repositories and team workflows. Pick the one that fits your security needs and coding environment. Step number 2. Feed AI the right input. AI is only as good as what you feed it. Don't just paste your whole code base. Start with a single file or function. Use clear prompts like generate Python docstrings for these functions with parameter and return details, or explain this JavaScript function for a developer-friendly README section. The more context you give, like framework, intended audience, and special edge cases, the better your output. Step number 3. Review and edit. This is the most important step. AI-generated docs are a first draft, not gospel. Check, is it accurate? Does it match your coding style? Is it too vague or too verbose? A quick review ensures your docs are actually helpful, not misleading. Step number 4. Automate the process. If you want docs to stay fresh, automate them. You can set up scripts in your CI/CD pipeline that run AI prompts on changed code. Update README or wiki pages automatically. Even comment on pull requests with new function explanations. If you're working on a project with multiple contributors, consider using a tool like Tabnine or Cody. They're great for private repositories and team workflows. Plus, they integrate seamlessly with your code editor. They both offer similar features like autocomplete, inline suggestions, and even the ability to generate documentation directly from your code. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your team's specific needs and coding preferences. So give it a try. Let AI handle the tedious task of documentation so you can focus on writing awesome code and building cool things. Subscribe for more AI coding tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.